In this video, we'll learn how to move your Zoom class recordings to Google Drive so that they can be accessible to students. If you haven't already done so, you'll want to start by creating a folder in Google Drive for each of your class sections. This will help keep the videos separate so that only the students from the correct class will see those videos. You'll do this by clicking the New button and creating a new folder. You'll name that folder, probably something related to the class so that you'll be able to identify it easily. Inside that folder, you might want to consider creating subsections, maybe folders for each week or folders for each unit to help the students more easily find those video recordings. Great, now that's done. At the end of each Zoom meeting, your files will be saved to a local folder in My Documents. To find them, click on the File Explorer button, double-click on Documents, and locate the folder called Zoom. Inside the Zoom folder, you'll find a separate folder for each class section after the recording has finished processing. Open one of the folders and find the video file. By default, all of the recording files are named Zoom_0. Right-click on the file and rename it. The name should probably contain the date of the class session so that students can find it. In the list of file locations on the left side of the window, find the location called Google Drive File Stream. This is connected to your ACCHS Google Drive account. If you click to expand My Drive, you should see the folder that you created for your class section. Click and drag the video file from the Zoom folder on your computer to the Google Drive folder for the appropriate class. By giving students access to the shareable link for their class section's folder, and then making that link available on your Sapphire class page, students will be able to review anything that they may have missed or want to hear again. That's it for this video. In this video, we discussed how to move your class recordings from the Zoom folder on your local computer up to Google Drive and then to Sapphire to make it accessible for your students.